look at copying and pasting a file from your data collector onto a USB drive to be imported on a new data collector. From your main screen on your data collector, without going into Trimble SITEWORKS, we need to find our File Explorer. If you look on the taskbar, you will see right here that your File Explorer looks like a little folder. If you do not see this icon on your taskbar, you can come to the search window and type in File Explorer. From here, you can select and open it. Once inside your File Explorer, we will be looking for this PC in the left column. Open it up. The next thing we will look for is our Windows C drive. Double tap on this using your stylus to open. Inside that, we look for the folder Trimble Synchronizer Data. Double tap there. Inside there, we have a PC folder. Double tap. And inside here, finally, we see our Trimble SES900 data. This is the folder that houses all the projects that you've created inside of SITEWORKS. So let's double tap that. From here, you see that you have all the projects that you have saved. So by selecting this project, we're going to copy and paste it. So in order to copy and paste using your stylus, we're going to highlight and then touch the item using your stylus until the square appears, let go, and the window to copy and paste and cut appears. Choose copy. From there, we will come to the left corner and find our USB disk. Inside our USB disk, you will see in the blank space, hold down your stylus until the square appears and let go and hit paste. Once you've pasted this, you will see that it now appears on your thumb drive. From here, you can exit out and remove your thumb drive from the data collector. It's ready to be imported into a new data collector.
Like this video? Give it a thumbs up. For more content like this, click subscribe for instant access to updates and new videos. Also, check the description for links to additional support files and content. And as always, thanks for watching.